You find a YouTube video which offers great insights into something, and you scroll to the comments section, but the comments seem to paint a completely different picture. It's often important that you get a second opinion, but you just don't have the time to scroll through all of the comments. Here I've built a pipeline with AI to help you summarize, compare, and contrast the perspectives offered in a YouTube video with those expressed in the comments. Here is a viral video over a decade ago of someone proposing a method of driving on the highway that reduces traffic jams. He seems pretty confident in his approach, but many people in the comments beg to differ. With over 1,000 comments, it'll take forever to read them all, so let's see if we can use Google Colab to help with it. And while we're at it, if you haven't set them up, please watch the videos in my links on setting up the YouTube API and the Gemini API keys and storing them in your Google account, since we'll need to leverage them. And here's a notebook that can analyze a video for you based on its contents and comments by downloading them, putting them both in the prompt, and optionally adding a custom query to the prompt before sending it off to Gemini. We can set a limit to how many of the top comments we'd like to download in order to not run out of context or to flood it with a ton of potentially irrelevant ones like trolls. Let's see what we get when we ask Gemini to compare and contrast the perspective of the video with the top comments. And here's the result from Gemini. The YouTube video presents a first-hand account of how a single driver's behavior, specifically leaving a large gap in front of their car and letting merging drivers in, can significantly impact traffic flow, particularly at merge zones. The narrator argues that this action prevents the formation of stop and go waves and resolves jams caused by aggressive merging behavior. However, the AI further expresses some of the criticisms in the comments. However, some dissenting comments, even those with higher ratings, express concerns about the practicality of consistently leaving large gaps. These comments point out that this approach can sometimes lead to slower overall travel times, potentially frustrating other drivers who may perceive the gap leaving driver as an obstacle. If you prefer to query the video and its comments via ChatGPT, I've got a cell below where you can download a JSON of both and upload it to ChatGPT, where you can prompt it to analyze, summarize, or compare perspectives. Please play around with it and report any interesting findings in the comments. If I get enough of them, I might even need to use this tool to analyze them myself. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.